Okay guys, so a lot of you guys have been asking, how do you stream Skate 3? How do you record Skate 3? How do you even put it on YouTube? Now, it's actually much simpler than you think. So I'm going to go through the step-by-step process on how to stream Skate 3 perfectly on your Mac. I'm using a MacBook, but you could use Windows or any of those. So, step 1, you have to go to Google Chrome, and you have to search obsproject.com/download. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Now, what it does, when you get to this link, it'll give you these three options: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So because I'm on a Mac, I'll click the Mac symbol, and it'll say download for Mac. And then all you have to do is click download for Mac, and then that would pop up. Now because I already have it, I'm just going to cancel it. But you're going to wait for that to download, and then this is what's going to happen next. Okay, so once you have this downloaded, you want to drag it to your desktop from Chrome, and you want to double click on it. It's going to open up this, and you want to press, and it says you will be guided through steps necessary to install the software. Press continue. It says this will take 221.3 megabytes of space. Click install to perform a standard installation. And then once you pick install, this is what should happen. It'll ask you for your password. It'll write down all the files, moving items into place, and then that sound should pop up. And that means the installation was successful. So then you just want to close out of it and go to your files on the Finder or whatever you have, File Explorer, and click on OBS, which should be there if you could find it. But yeah, that's step 1. Okay, now moving on to step 2. On step 2, you want to, on OBS, press the plus button on the left and add a scene. Now the scene will come up as blank, and there's something called sources. What you want to do, go back to Google Chrome and search up, this only works for Xbox, by the way, mixer.com/ and then your Xbox gamer tag. But put an underscore wherever there would be a space, if there is a space. So because I have a space, it would be pure underscore frosty with the 7s and the Y's and stuff. Now once I press return, if it worked correctly and you typed it incorrectly, this should come up and it say blah 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 is offline. Now that you know that, you want to take this link, copy it, go over here to the scene, press the plus on the right, and press browser source. Then press OK. OBS project should be the normal one. You want to take that out, paste in that mixer link, and change your width to 1920 by 1080. Now press OK. Now it should come up really big like this, so you want to just adjust the size. Now, the last step for this part is adjusting the size of your screen. So you want to adjust the size kind of like that, and you should be good there. Now let's move on to the next step in connecting your game. Now that you're in your you have to be on your Xbox. You can't really see my screen, but it's fine. So once you're on your Xbox, you want to go on to the game Skate 3. I'm actually going to go to my main scene for this. So you want to be on Skate 3. Now, once you're on Skate 3 playing your game, playing whatever match you're doing, maybe just being alone, you want to press this Xbox button, and the menu on the left side should come up. Now, once that menu comes up, you want to go down to the second to last thing, and it should say Mixer Broadcasting, and then your gamer tag under it. You want to go one to the right and press Broadcast your game. Now, a little loading symbol should start rolling around next to Broadcast your game. And then after it's done loading, it should say Start Broadcast. That should be the thing you're on. Once you press Start Broadcast, watch what happens. You press Start, and a little purple bar should appear. And then look at your laptop where it says your name is offline. Watch what happens. It's going to start. It's going to take a while. But there. Now a circle's like moving around on Mixer. And then your screen pops up. As you can see, my screen is now on, projected onto my laptop. And that's pretty much how you get Skate 3 streamed. But now I want to tell you about my face cam, because a lot of people asked about my face cam. So, the next step. To get face cam is actually quite simple. All you need is basically a camera either on your laptop or on your computer. Now, all you have to do, we're going to go back to this one, is go to this plus symbol, press plus, go over to video capture device, press OK, and then pick your video capture device. I'm using FaceTime HD camera. Pick your quality. I use 1280 by 720. And then press OK. Now your camera is set up, and you could adjust the size with the little red dots. And you could also move it across the screen. And after you're all finished, it should look like this. This should be the finished product without the sub count. If you want to do the sub count, just do the same like link browser source thing that you did with Mixer, except do the live count thing. Okay, so that was pretty much how to set up a Skate 3 stream with a face cam. If you have enjoyed, please be sure to drop a like. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. I love and you should remember. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later, Frost Army. Peace out.